Hello everyone, welcome to the Wise Tales. In today's story, we'll explore how laziness can destroy dreams and how one powerful lesson can change everything. While listening, you'll also learn new words and how to use them in sentences, making English practice both fun and useful. So stay with us until the end. Once upon a time, in a small village near a green hill, there lived a young man named Alex. Unlike the other young men who worked in the fields or learned a trade, Alex spent his days lying under a tree behind his house. Deep down, he knew laziness was holding him back, but every time he tried to change, he gave up quickly. One day, something broke his heart. The woman he loved married a wealthy man. The villagers mocked Alex, saying his laziness was the reason for his failure. Feeling ashamed, Alex wanted to change, but didn't know where to start. As he sat near the hill, an old man appeared, Grandpa David, a wise elder respected by all. Alex rushed to him and said, "Grandpa, I can't defeat my laziness. Please help me." David smiled kindly. "Those who try will succeed. If you truly want to change, come to my house in 3 days. Bring food and prepare for a long trip. I will show you the cure." Alex agreed. For 3 days he prepared, and on the third day he went to David's house. The old man pointed to a faraway mountain. "In a cave on the other side, you'll find a pot with 2 pills, one red, one blue. Bring them back, but hurry. Another young man left yesterday to get them too. If you want the cure, you must arrive first." Motivated, Alex began the journey. At a river, he saw an old man rowing slowly. Impatient, Alex grabbed the oars and rowed with strength, crossing in 20 minutes instead of an hour. Without noticing, he was already changing. He climbed hills, ran through fields, and pushed through every obstacle. His mind kept repeating, "There is no substitute for hard work." After 2 days of effort, Alex finally reached the cave. Inside was the pot with the red and blue pills. Feeling proud, he hurried back to Grandpa David. "I got them. How will these cure my laziness?" To Alex's shock, Grandpa David swallowed 1 pill himself. "That was for my back pain," he laughed. "The real cure is what you already discovered. Laziness disappears when you set a goal, take action, and stay consistent. The red pill represents your dreams, the blue pill, your determination. Together, they make success." Alex realized the truth. Through effort and focus, he had beaten laziness. Curious, he asked, "What about the young man in blue clothes?" David chuckled. "That was my son. He only went to visit his brother. I told you that story to make you hurry." Though slightly annoyed, Alex laughed. From that day on, he embraced hard work, overcame challenges, and became respected in the village. New words: laziness, unwillingness to work. Example: laziness stopped him from finishing his task. Determination, firmness of purpose. Example: with determination, she passed the exam. Persistence, continuing despite difficulty. Example: his persistence led to success. Motivation, reason for acting. Example: her family is her greatest motivation. Consistency, doing something regularly. Example: consistency builds good habits. Remember, success comes to those who act with persistence and dedication. Keep practicing, keep learning, and never let laziness steal your dreams. Thank you for watching The Wise Tales. Make sure to like, comment, and share how this story helped you improve your English. See you in the next story.